Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, next for the BTC. Is Max Payne in for BTC? I do not think so, right? This huge consolidation range that I've drawn here by the denoted by the white line shows it makes me feel like there's still hope for BTC to go up. And I know for a fact that BTC will eventually reach 100k, right? However, in the short term, the whole idea is to shake out as many people as possible so that it's easier for the price manipulators to bring the price up. The name of the game and in market economics is to make the 20% reach at the expense of 80% of the people. So for Bitcoin, it needs to give people the impression that it is all over, right? And for me to feel like that, it has to break below 28k, either now or eventually. I think what we might see here is it depends whether there is profit to be made liquidating the shorts by moving up. And if it does, maybe it breaks down halfway, move down here and then up again. Right, so this will be a giant aspect to see it trade sideways for the entire year. And then maybe in 2023 we'll see 100k, or maybe end of the year, right? But otherwise it's just going to be in this range for the longest time ever. Depending on the short versus long leverage positions, it may fake out to the upside or downside. If there are too many shorts, then of course to the upside. But I think right now, there are not enough shorts built up for this to be profitable, right? So we'll see what happens. If you're in for long-term investment, Bitcoin is great for a buy right now. We just saw a huge discount. So go on and dollar average in. So long-term Bitcoin is already trading like gold. It will continue to do so, look more and more like gold. So yeah, good luck to you guys. All the best.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.